squad them, wanna catch one. Give him a blind, man. Give him a blind. Give him a blind. A New Year's Eve, man. Give him a blind, man. Nah, give him no blind. Better have him money. Nobody never look for me and make up them face. I never say blind. Blind.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing ooh na na, ooh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, guys? So I actually lost some footage from this video. I wasn't gonna post it, but I just said, you know what, let me just post it and done. So right where as I'm about to go on the toll road to head to Portmore, I lost that entire footage, and then I actually ended up at a liquor store because I was trying to get some liquor. So I ended up at a liquor store, right? I lost the footage and everything, but as I said, I just posted it because, you know, it is what it is, guys. You understand? The dash cam kind of giving me some problems right now, so yeah, that's why I'm losing the footages, but I'm working on it. So I hope you enjoy this video. All right,
What's up, beautiful people? Yes, truly 876 by Bergs as usual. And from here, my voice says to the video, you know what time it is. Yeah, and right about now, it is New Year's Eve, people. Yeah, my last day of the year, this right now. You see me, see some Jamaican goat up on the side there, so look on them, see them, eh? Yeah, nice curry goat that, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, right about now, people, we are heading to downtown Kingston. Yeah, the direction that we are heading, right from out of East Kingston way right now, you see me? We're up on this almost a Norman Manley Highway, this I think, yeah. That's how we are heading from, you see me? Yeah, that's how we're on right now, you see me? Yeah, man, we are heading downtown Kingston. So you know what the thing go, we are going Portmore right now, people, yeah. We are going to for that place where we stop at Portmore, so that's going to be the first drive, see? Yeah. That are going to be the first drive. You understand? Yeah. So this is the thing they write about now, people. And New Year's Eve, I just want to say, yo, bless up everybody. You see me? Yeah, man, once you watch the video, tune in. Bless up yourself. Big up to all I know. You see me? Yeah, New Year's Eve, we made it. One more year down, you see it? Yeah, right, that's our Raytown, people. You see me? Yeah, me actually just get some fish over there too, you know. Big woman thing. Yeah, me just get little snapper. I say I might cook them tomorrow. Me just get snapper. I get more 3 pound of snapper, and I get £1.5 of Irish. You see me? Yeah. I have carrot in my yard already. You see me? I might run a little one pot. Don't go all over though, you see it? Yeah, might run a one pot down a whole over. But that's tomorrow though, people. That's tomorrow. Not today. Tomorrow. Yeah, today I beg dinner, me I get it. You see me? Beg little dinner, me I get it. You see it? But yeah, right there, so a Raytown. You see me, my people? Yeah, man. And as I say, we are heading to downtown Kingston. Alright? Yeah. See, this is the harbour right there, so the waterfront area. Yeah. Now, earlier today, the sky did well cloudy and all sort of thing, but it cleared up well. Yeah, because it was gloomy. I did a video earlier too, so you know we see it. Well, we're supposed to see it already, you see me? Yeah, if not, go and watch it. You see me? Yeah, now New Year's Eve, I mean, I drop nothing about video, you see me? Yeah, man. I'm actually going to sort out, I have an eye leak, so I'm going to sort it out. You see me? I'll change a few things, but what you go on now, people? Water pump need for change, because you don't know what car thing go already. Once you go change one something, you don't know when I go find everything else will give problem, you see me? So yeah, so need to change the water pump, and also need to change another thing too. Cause little tip of oil a drip see if change one thing, but me I try to get one silicone this morning and me never get it. You get what I say? And that a whole heap of work. And a New Year's Eve right now too, so very dependent. And I don't like at the garage me go. Yeah, because link the mechanic a film place. You see me, I'm yard. You see me? So him this go forward, make him shut off the little thing in the early morning and things. So we get that task they done still. But me have to go buy a water pump and we need to go buy also one belt. You see me? Yeah, because the oil leak when we did that first, it make the belt. It damage the belt. Because through the oil that drip out on it. So yeah, so it damage the belt. You see it? So yeah, my people. So we're there right now. I think this is Portmore Street. We're there we have to take our time and make we are going. You see me? Yeah man, so what going for New Year's Eve? I want to go ring in the New Year. Why pray? Me a plan to stay at my yard, you know. You see me? Yeah. Plan to stay at my yard and go and chill out, you know. Eat some food and yeah, cause every time I ever there road, so plan to stay home today. LiQWYD. I don't know why the pray for owner. Why not go? Now go to a special go ring it in. I wanna stay home like me too. Plan to stay home, might all go live later and something, you see it? Yeah. Yeah man, people. Planning to stay home to ring in the New Year, but don't get up on the waterfront I got busy later. Them lock off enough for the road them already, you know. Yeah man, the road them lock off the vehicle traffic, you see me? I just walk foot alone now. A chaos down here so later man. Chaos me I tell you no down here later people. I know play thing little more, you see me? Yeah. I know play thing later people. I can see a couple jerk chicken people out. All of them people out. I don't know, I might come down here back just to see the people them are rolling. I might come down here back and then head back. Because I say I got a whole harbor later, you see me? So I don't know, I might come down here later just to see the whole crowd and everything and the people them are come down to come take it in. You know them always have like concert and them thing and then the fireworks go on at midnight. You see me? But the crowd normally don't get people a serious crowd. I tell you now, a serious crowd normally don't get people. Can't do too much of that right now. As I get older more while it's like certain little thing you can't even bother with. You see me? Yeah, I'm not really that old neither, I'm not that old. So I don't know. But you don't know. I just want to stay home that year, yeah man. You see me? Yeah. But I like how the place, the weather clear up and everything. If you're looking at the previous video I do earlier, trust me, the place is gloomy and everything. But I had a feeling that it would have turned out this way. Yeah. And then now through me have the oil leak and some need for buy I need to buy 1 quarter oil because I need to top up a little bit, you see me? Yeah, and I'm going to say little oil still a drip from one part. So I'm going to need for thing there. I'm going to need to get that sort out. But I actually have the thing of using. That's the silicone I need to get, and then I need to get the water pump and the belt. Because since I'm going to pull down them part there, might as well, you see me, I'm going to pull off the water pump and all these things. So since that I'm going to do, might as well just get the water pump, you see me? Yeah. And the belt, you see me? Yeah. So people, I want to drop in our comment section on a plan for spend, on a plan for ringing the New Year's. Yeah, on a plan for ringing the 2024, you see me? Yeah. I want to drop in our comment section what on a plan for do. You see me? Yeah. Let me know. Alright? Yeah. I'm going to just say shout out to all of the viewers in my day, you know. Shout out to everybody who there. You see me? Yeah, man, bless up for the self, man. UK people, I'm soon as show up, you know. I'm soon as show up, man. You see me? I appreciate it, because I dropped the video yesterday. I'm say, yo, I want to ray and thing. So, you see me? Yeah. Me, bless up yourself, me, bless up yourself, bless up yourself. You see me? Chadwick, bless up yourself. Just do me a favor and share the video, please. Share it over in the UK there. Send it to somebody where you know when they see you a long time. You see me? Yeah, and as I say, country video, them are forward, you know, them are forward. Black River, all of these places, you see me, down in Hanover, them places, way down to the next side of the island, cause you know, we're up on the eastern part, so we are going down to the western side, you see me? Yeah, so when we gear up for that, we are going to Country. Yeah, so all who love long video, yeah, going to the Country. Mrs. Jonah say, yeah, she appreciate long video, them. You see me? So yeah, man, country we are going, alright? Yeah. This person is crazy. So yeah, man, I don't know the thing of people. This morning me I come with the police out and about on the road, yeah. And every day I try to clap me with the speed gun, but I was doing the speed limit, so he put it down back. You see me? But yeah, them out and about. Them I try to make the little extra. I don't know how that ever works still. They better go and go look some Sunday dinner. You see me? See there? Them clock somebody, you know, because it's a 50 mile per hour, you know. See it? Because them stop the man there. Boy, them no ease up, you know, man. Boy, squad them, wanna catch one. Give him a blind, man. Give him a blind. Give him a blind. A New Year's Eve, man. Give him a blind, man. Nah, give him no blind. Better have him money. The man never look for me and make up them face and never say, blind. Blind. Look for them police, somebody else say you want money, never defend. Yeah, man. Money them police boy they defend, man. You see me? Looking at the mirror, me I look for him, I show the man the speed gun. All three of them surround the man car. Why, me I tell him, I show them the speed gun. Why, me I tell her. We passed some on the toll road, Portmore toll road this a while ago. I try to clock a next man. Can them let him go? Yeah, them let him go, you know. Look like him a driver come. Them let him go. Yeah, them give him a blind. Them show the gun and them let him go. But because I see the man walk off and I hold up the gun road to somebody say, you know the next man ever get catch, you don't get knocked. No. Get knocked, yeah. Get knocked. But my boy did not go so fast and we after him pass, them let him go, you know. Him stop me, after him pass them, him stop. You see me? Yeah. Let me take my time around here, so because the speed limit for that toll is 70. We did pass them for the next side a while ago, but who to tell them good around here so catch up. I mean, I know if them catch me, nobody will pass and beg a blind for me, so. You see me? Take my little. Alright, so yeah people, I get the liquor them, so I get the Moscato and I get the coconut rum, you understand? Yeah. Yup. So the Moscato now, I can just put that for chill, I can get one bag with ice. I mean, I can't always get that, I don't have to buy the ice now, I don't buy the ice now. I'll buy it later. but I'm going there so I shall buy the thing them in there, so, you know. Yeah, I shall buy the thing. But where we can get the thing them anyway, so we can get the thing at one gas station or so. I don't have to worry my head about that. Yeah, we're not even worry about that. Oh yeah, I knew shopping mall these people in a Portmore. Yeah man. Hottest thing this a Portmore right now, people, you see it? Yeah. It's called Hongwei, built by the Chinese. You see me? Yeah. So right here says the next call center building up people. Yeah. And then down here say you have two. Need a little ATM in the night time, people. In the evening, sorry. We need a little ATM in the evening. But I think about me, I say I don't want to wait till night for go get the ATM them because I know them good at ram up. So I need to go on my sheet, which I gotta go now, you know. Yeah man, I gotta find one right now and go. Yeah man, I got the ATM. Angle my business that's out and then I just till the 2:30 now. You know, so I'm actually have to go to Spanish Town. Yeah. Actually have to go to Spanish Town. I'm gonna try that little dirty Scotia machine here and see if we can get some money for it. Because the machine are funny, you know, people. Every month in them stop work and one whole heap of things. I can't bother talk about it. Just remember how them program it's stressing. Hopefully no one bag of people now over here. Move backside. People there's a line. I nah do it, you know, I nah do it. Like, I can't bother more like Jamaican people. Look on the line. See that? I don't know if people that's still but yo, a Sunday now man. Yo, I can't bother people. Honestly, I can't bother. Can't bother people. Can't bother. Nah lie. People I got me hard. I got me hard and then I go to Spanish Town. Can't. It's stressing people. Can't. Every time you want to go a machine, you know, people are be a line, you know. Be a line. Like, yo, I can't bother with this. And then it have a time it does stop work. So you all in the line and then all of your turn and the machine does not just give way. Can't manage it. Yeah, I can't do it. Cannot do it. Refuse to do it, people. something over here, so. Just remember to, I need something at the water store. I need a bottle of water from the water store, so. Yeah. I'm gonna get the water in the plaza here. Where's our Sovereign Village? Yeah. Even if the water store home, a good thing say I come to because look on the time. 2:30 something now. Let's hope it open. Just want one of them Anglo water there. About how much gallon? I think it's just probably it's a gallon in a year. It's a gallon. Yeah, this person here try park. Person park right on the damn line. Alright people, I'm going to go grab this water here from right out there, so. I so forward again. Alright peeps, so I get to more. I go to my yard now. Me find an ATM more convenient to me. I can't go do the long line over there, you see? So I will find an ATM that's more convenient to I, alright? Yeah. Entrance are too small right there, sir. People, the liquor store I go, it named Buchanan's Liquor. See, that way him actually did have, that way him actually name him, that time first liquor store him have. If they further around, it go straight and go right round to the next stoplight closer to around there, so you see me? Buchanan's Liquor, but this one we have over Hungry Mall, it's called Liquor Chamber. You see me? The Liquor Chamber. Over there really nice. You see me? And them have the wine them upstairs and everything. It's so nice. It's a walk-in thing. The other place we have is like a wholesale. So you go there and you ask where you want and you get it. Like you ball out. You know wholesale setup. Like shop. Yeah, so it's set up. You go there, you call for what you want, or you tell them or whatever and you get it. Alright? Now this one is a more something the shopping experience. You get me? So you actually go in and choose a thing, and they have nice, what I call them, attendants in there. So you see me, some nice young lady in there, them just help you with where you want. You ask them, you talk to them and them help you, and yeah, so it's set up. You see it? Yeah. So it's really nice. Really nice in the people. As me that's about him, like the man start off from what you call it? Consignment liquor. You get me? Yeah, that the man start off from. When people keep them partying, give them liquor and you see me? Wanna sell off him, take it back and them everything there. And that the man start off from. Which part the man there, I know you see it? Yeah. So it's a good look. Alright people, here we go on. Big up on yourself, you know. I don't know anything going on. Later, I'm out. It's been a long video, I'm out.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want.